Hello, kids! Today, we are going to read simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin! I see a flower. It is bright and colorful. Again, I see a flower. It is bright and colorful. Your turn. I see a cat. It is fluffy and orange. Again, I see a cat. It is fluffy and orange. Your turn. I see a car. It is fast and pink. Again, I see a car. It is fast and pink. Your turn. I see a ball. It is round and bouncy. Again, I see a ball. It is round and bouncy. Your turn. I see a dog. It is brown and friendly. Again, I see a dog. It is brown and friendly. Your turn. I see a tree. It is tall and green. Again, I see a tree. It is tall and green. Your turn. I see a cake. It is sweet and frosty. Again, I see a cake. It is sweet and frosty. Your turn. I see a bird. It is small and blue. Again, I see a bird. It is small and blue. Your turn. I see a bike. It is red and big. Again, I see a bike. It is red and big. Your turn. I see a house. It is big and white. Again, I see a house. It is big and white. Your turn. I see a pencil. It is yellow and sharp. Again, I see a pencil. It is yellow and sharp. Your turn. I see a clock. It is round and ticking. Again, I see a clock. It is round and ticking. Your turn. I see a hat. It is warm and woolen. Again, I see a hat. It is warm and woolen. Your turn. Very good. Now let's read together. I see a flower. It is bright and colorful. I see a cat. It is fluffy and orange. I see a car. It is fast and pink. I see a ball. It is round and bouncy. I see a dog. It is brown and friendly. I see a tree. It is tall and green. I see a cake. It is sweet and frosty. I see a bird. It is small and blue. I see a bike. It is red and big. I see a house. It is big and white. I see a pencil. It is yellow and sharp. I see a clock. It is round and ticking. I see a hat. It is warm and woolen. Good job, kids!